Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Batman Garage. I wanted to do a little reaction slash watching video. There's been this IIHS crash test video. It's been running around on the internet this week, and it's got a bunch of people all up in arms. But basically, it's a SuperCrew that has this giant weighted assembly in the bed that was then crashed, and we're going to take a look at it. All right, so we played through it. First, I want to show. Let's see. All right, so this is the first clip I want to show, and if you watch, right at this point here, you can see the chains will break off, or the box slides into the cab, right? But obviously, there's a lot of destruction there. You can see the frame rail dips down here in the bottom, and yeah, it's not good. What I want to show you is right here. Okay, so if you watch right before the moment of impact, the bed will do this little wiggle, and that's as the acceleration chains are being released from it. So right there, right before that initial impact, you can see there's a little wiggle there. And then from this view here, you can see they put these they look like angle iron brackets on top of it and then chained down to it, but there's nothing actually securing the load laterally front to back. There should be a chain kind of wrapped either diagonally over it or around the front of it somehow. So basically they have it down where it wouldn't fall out, but it's not really actually secured. So then this whole thing just becomes a weighted bullet basically that just pushes into the cab. So So the other thing to mention here too is how much rust and dirt and debris falls off the bottom of this truck. Obviously, it's a 20-year-old truck, but there's significant amount of brown rust color as well. So the presumption here is that the frame has been weakened over time with rust and is not in great shape. But so this had this been a brand new truck and they did this test, it may not look exactly the same. And obviously, if they had it secured differently, it also would not look the same either. So, see if I can capture it on the frame here. So anyways, so yeah, it certainly looks bad, and to the untrained eye, it is bad. I mean, there's a significant amount of damage there, but the description that IIHS put in their video on TikTok was something to the effect of they were testing their propulsion system and pushing it to its limit. So I assume they wanted a heavy, about 5,500 pound truck, and then they probably put, I would guess, north of 2,000 pounds in the bed, maybe 1,500 pounds in the bed, but they were definitely pushing what that truck's capable of, as well as they're trying to push their acceleration on their chain drive. So anyways, don't be too scared by it. My personal 10th gen has been 2 wrecks, and they both fared out pretty well. If you were hauling this, obviously you wouldn't go full speed into a wall. You would be a little bit more vigilant and try to slow down before you hit something and all that. But it's just a test, and it's not even a real world test. So don't get too alarmed by it. But anyways, that's it. I appreciate y'all checking out a video of mine. Feel free to check out some other 10th gen content. I'm also adding a ton of 10th gen videos. I have a playlist going of they're not all my videos by any means, but 10th gen content. There'll be a separate playlist somewhere up here that I'll have a link to. And that's it, man. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.